What did you just say?
I said I think this is a great place to orate from.
Yeah, you've built yourself a stage there.
It casts the sound out.
You built yourself a little stage there, and like you said, when your bust is created later on in life for the great achievements that you've made.
Oh, well,
towards humanity, or I don't know.
Solo thing.
Yeah, you could do that too.
Or you know, we could do the.
Oh, that's even better. honestly, you've been at this thing a long time. You've been thinking about it for a long time. So, how do you feel about your little creation there?
How do I feel about it?
Yeah. Did it come out the way you wanted it to, or is it coming out the way you want it to?
It's what I envisioned, minus the perfection of craftsmanship. So,
it looks pretty good.
I mean, the mortar didn't fall off the fucking ceiling.
Not yet.
It's all solid. No. That's solid. That's a half-inch of mortar up there. It hasn't cracked the floor yet.
That's good. We talked to Thomas's parents last weekend about color and how to tone this thing down in the room because it's huge. I mean, you know, it's
not huge.
It's ginormous.
You put the fireplace in here. Look,
the fireplace is only that big.
Look, you add the chimney to it. It looks a lot bigger. Okay.
I what?
You add the chimney to it, the stovepipe to it. It looks a lot bigger.
I wonder how it is gonna look. I mean, anyway, we think we're gonna go with staining.
On the back wall.
And the floor.
And the floor. Paint here, but keystoning the block in on the sides. The face of the column will be painted.
The same color as the walls. To help mute it. But the darker color staining the back will match the flooring and the pedestal itself. So it's going to be interesting. I mean, it has definitely been a process and figuring it all out. Thomas has been quite frustrated with it many times, but it seems to be working out. We'll see. Winter's coming. We better get that sucker in. It is Labor Day weekend. Did you say something? I don't think so.